If you are someone masturbating over there day and night, then it's video for you. If you're in your peak 17, 18, 19, 20, I can understand your feelings. You have the most brutal feeling on this world to fuck someone. But if you need just someone to fuck, you just don't need your hands to fuck. I'm right. I'm honest. You don't need to masturbate. You need someone real out there. तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम वही सॉल्व कर सकता है, ना कि your hand. Your hand will end up getting you premature ejaculation. You won't be getting that much erection, and whenever, like in future, you will become a man 23, 24, 25. You won't be able to last longer in the bed when you just jerk from your what we say grip. जब तुम तुम्हारे हाथ से सिर्फ मुट्ठी मारते हो, sorry for that words, but it's the real thought. It's the real thing. You won't be able to last longer. As a man, if you don't last longer, what the drive you are having? Why are you earning so much fucking money? तुम इतना पैसा किसके लिए बना रहे हो? सिर्फ एक purposefully होना चाहिए ना, कोई reason होना चाहिए. So if you want to stop the masturbation, this video is just for you. Tilt your phone, लंबा करो phone को, just put your phone over there and let's start the video. First of all, डिलीट दैट फकिंग एप्स. डिलीट दैट फकिंग एप्स. हाँ, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, फोन. यूट्यूब पे फोन इज नॉट अवेलेबल, बट इंस्टाग्राम इज अ सॉफ्ट फोन. तुम्हें इंस्टाग्राम नहीं चाहिए. तुम्हें इतना एस्थेटिक्स, दूसरों के क्लीवेज है, स्क्रैच नहीं देखने. तुम्हारे इतिहास में लाइक द ह्यूमन मैनकाइंड जितनी भी तुम्हारी जनरेशन हुई है उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा ब्यूटीज तुमने देखी है. बट गो एंड वॉच द ब्यूटी आउटसाइड. घर के अंदर लाइक एक कमरे में बैठ के मॉडरेशन में फ़ोन नहीं चलाना है. इट गोना किल यू. इट गोना किल यू. तुम्हारा क्रोम, तुम्हारा ब्राउजर 18-19 में तुम्हारे पीक पे हो. एज सुन एज यू होल्ड योर हैंड, as soon as you hold your dick with your hand, you are done. Number 2, never be in a moderation. तुम्हें ऐसा स्पेस क्रिएट नहीं करना है जहाँ पे तुम अकेले में हो. अकेलापन तुम्हें खा लेगा. लाइक एक ठहरा हुआ पानी और एक ठहरा हुआ आदमी, जस्ट दे आर इनेबल टू सॉल्व देयर पर्पस. दे आर नथिंग इन द लाइफ. सो डोंट एंड अप लाइक दैट. बता रहा हूँ, जस्ट तुम अपने आप को भरो लोगों से थोड़ा सा. बी विद द पीपल्स अराउंड देम. तुम लोगों के सामने मास्टरबेट नहीं कर पाओगे. बी विद योर पेरेंट्स, बी विद योर someone who you can understand. Be with someone. तुम अकेले रूम में हो, तुम रात की 12-1 बजे तक स्क्रॉलिंग कर रहे हो, यू विल गेट अ पोन. और तुम्हें नींद तभी आएगी जब तुम मास्टरबेट करोगे. नंबर 3, द मेन पॉइंट यू आर मास्टरबेटिंग इज फाइंड अ गर्ल. सो यू जस्ट नीड अ गर्ल, यू जस्ट नीड अ गर्लफ्रेंड, यू जस्ट नीड अ फ्यूचर वाइफ whom you can do sex with. हाँ, it's not wrong. It's not a taboo. Nothing is wrong to find a girl. Just become that man. If you want to become that man, then this channel is for you. अगर तुम्हें बनना है कुछ, तुम्हें कुछ करना है, तो ये चैनल तुम्हारे लिए है. देखो, मैं बताता हूँ क्या होता है. When you are in 17, 18, 19, you need to rush on a relationship. तुम्हें रश करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need that mentality. तुम्हें वो mindset चाहिए कि you want a high quality woman. If you want to wait for 6 months, 1 year, then also you can wait. It's your starting age. तुम अभी सीख रहे हो बस. You don't need to go on the breakups. You don't need to hurt yourself. You just need a woman. उसके लिए तुम workouts कर सकते हो. You can become high quality man. You can just focus on थोड़ा सा making money. You can just study on your careers. But you don't need to masturbate. If masturbation was a good thing, then why everyone is out there running, है ना. मैं कई लोगों से बात करता हूँ. I got my community out there. और मुझसे स्टूडेंट्स आके बोलते कि लाइक आई कांट एंड अप गेटिंग मास्टरबेट. सो इट्स अ एडिक्शन. तुमने इसको टाइम दिया, लाइक 2-5 साल में तुमने इसको बनाया. एज अ मैन यू नीड टू फक द वर्ल्ड, नॉट just to go and masturbate with your dick. So it's a simple topic to talk on. If you want some details to grab on, my IG is there in the description, so we can talk about it more. So what can happen if you masturbate? It can seriously make you premature. You won't be able to last long. बस इस बात को याद रखते हुए don't masturbate. First you start your masturbation with a timing of just 4-5 minutes, you last longer. 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes you are lasting longer. But as soon as your dick adapts to it, you won't be able to last longer. You are no more a man. You are just getting free in 10, 20 seconds. I think you are getting me. So don't do this. Just go and find a real woman to fuck. The temperature of vagina is something different as compared to your hands. Don't just end up getting masturbate every day out there. You will low on the confidence, you will low on the drive, you won't be able to do something purposefully. And a man who is not able to do something purposefully is a low testosterone man. He won't be working for himself. He will be working for the world out there. You will be getting hooked for 8, 9, 10 hours, and you will be working for someone out there. High quality, like a man with the testosterone. He's having broad shoulders out there. Won't be working for someone else. He knows the cruelty of the world. So don't masturbate, bro. I think that's more than enough. So you got a lesson.